Hi everybody, the Mad Mystical Monk here today. I was watching a documentary on the internet yesterday, and it was talking about the spirit world and near-death experiences and life after death, and how it seems that the more medicine and medical knowledge increases, the more near-death experiences we have. I had an odd thought. It was, if 1% of these stories are true, just 1%, then 1% of the stories about vampires, ghosts, werewolves, angels, just 1% of these stories are true. That means our reality is completely different than what we could possibly ever imagine. And then I had another thought. What if most people only know and see less than 1% of reality? Which science is proving more and more is the case. And then what would happen if one person were to see 2% of reality, or 3%, or up to 100%? What would happen if a person understands 100% of reality? What would we call that person? We would call that person enlightened. But the matter remains, as humans, we can only see so much of the light spectrum. We can only see so many colors. Infrared we can't see, and ultraviolet. The question is, how many colors are there? There's probably an infinite amount of colors on the spectrum in both ways, and we can only see a very insignificant amount of colors. So therefore, through deductive reasoning, we can only speculate on what we can see. So science in itself cannot answer all of life's mysteries, even if it wanted to. And the fact is, we're running on, 50,000, 100,000 year old software. Our brains aren't that developed. We're still running on ape mind. I really don't think that even with our technologies that we'd be able to improve ourselves that much. I don't know, the idea of being a Borg does not much sit well with me. So this was my general thoughts. Please like and subscribe and let me know what you think.